Hey Scrap Story and friends, Cheryl here today with a super exciting unboxing video for you all. If you are regular Scrap Story and viewers and followers, you will know that the lovely and ever talented Brande is on the Wild Hare Kits design team. And yours truly is the guest designer for December. So that is super exciting. I'm very excited to see what's in this little package that I received. So we're going to open it up together, and then we're going to see what everyone else is working with for December from the Wild Hare Kits. I can't wait to watch all the other unboxing videos with a good coffee this morning. That'll be a great Sunday morning. I saved a little bit of the packing tape to add to my December daily, since that's what I wanted this kit to go towards. I've done December daily, I think, for 6 years in a row. I will link a video below that shows some of my past December daily albums. I always hang on to this little card from Alison and the team at Wild Hare because I think it's super cute. It's great they include this with every order. I've gotten some great orders and great customer service from everyone at Wild Hare long before this guest designer spot, and I'm sure I'll have the same thing long after. So first we have the Pink Fresh Studio Holiday Wishes Ephemera Pack. I love that. There's some great gold accents in here. Some great word art. I love the little houses. Those are super fun. This is amazing. This is the Bramble Fox Petite Perspectives Vinyl Kit. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. All right, let's dive into this goodness, shall we? I love it. If my hands are working a little slower than normal and looking a little rough, there's been a serious cold going around our house, so they've not been taken care of as they might normally. This is awesome. Look at that. How great will that look on top of the acrylic covers that I have to go with my album? I'm just trying to grab one. Wouldn't that be just a great title page right there? Very nice. All right, these are lovely. I'm so excited. December 2018. And they do have a coating on them. That will get peeled off. That's just something I noticed on the little tag, in case you're wondering why they look a little cloudy. Sorry about the light and the shadows and everything in here today. I'm filming at about 6:30 at night. Might as well be midnight for how dark it is outside. It is winter after all. These are amazing. So we have all the numbers. I love that. And the numbers do go past the 25th, which is amazing. I find a lot of number sets for December daily only go to December 25th, and I go all the way up to New Year's Eve, the 31st, so I love that those are all there. I am super excited to have that. Thank you, Alison. All right, let's check out the 6x6 papers. Sorry, you can hear my kids playing a game downstairs. So this must be from the same Pink Fresh line because there's the same little houses. I love those. Good green, some trees. This one says deck the halls, add more sparkle, rejoice. Those are great. I have an entire album from, I believe, 2 years ago. That's all Pink Fresh Studio. These are lovely as well. I really like those two. I can definitely see those being a full page background. The smaller papers will work in really well this year because I'm doing a traveler's notebook style. Black and white. This is Jen Hadfield, Along the Way. That is a great one. Echo Park Coffee Collection. Coffee blend. Adventure awaits. That's a great sort of rustic pattern. And rustic was one of the words I had said to Alison that I would like for the feel of my December daily. So I mentioned wood grain, rustic, red and green. And so you can really see where those ideas have come from in the kit that she's included. So I mentioned, let's see. So my note from Alison says, "Hi Cheryl, we hope you love your guest designer kit. We think the rustic greens, buffalo plaids, wood grain, and greenery will be a gorgeous backdrop for your December photos. The mix of paper sizes allowed us to send an awesome variety of patterns." Ooh, and this is an exclusive to the Wild Hare Kits. The Bramble Fox acrylic is an exclusive to Wild Hare. That is exciting. So let's see, the Holiday Vibes 6x8 patterns are these guys right here. And That is awesome. So I do have a great mix of rustic and sort of homey patterns, green and reds, lots of Christmassy florals and foliage prints, I guess, for lack of a better word. I can see some great backdrops, like Alison said, some great background colors and some great page bases here, for lack of a better word. I'm super excited to get going with December Daily. Ideally, my first December story won't be me sitting waiting for antibiotics at the doctor's office, so I may find another story to tell for December 1st, and today, December 2nd. I will probably include all of this goodness as my December 2nd story, because why not? This is fun, this is exciting, and this is part of my Christmas story this year. So I hope you're enjoying December Daily prep work and process and puttering so far. And I will be back soon with some progress on mine. So thanks to Alison and everyone at the Wild Hare Kits. Thanks to Brande, because, you know, I want to be her when I grow up. And thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.